Oye, ¿cómo va? Mi ritmo, bueno pa' gozar.
What is happening, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new or if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am back with another episode of Cheap and Bougie, honey, because today we're using all $1 makeup. Like, what's up? This whole beat, honey, get into it. Hoy estaremos usando muchos productos de la marca Shopmissa que venden todo súper baratísimo. Así que si están interesadas en esto, por favor sigan viendo mi canal. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you guys thumb up this video. So, bitch, get into it, okay? I'm pretty sure you guys can hear my voice. Like, I just woke up. This is my morning voice and I just feel like, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna start with my brows first. I have this tinted brow pomade and also their Go Brow, which is like a brow gel, and this is what I'm gonna be using. Estos son los primeros productos que voy a estar usando. Es una pomada de cejas que viene en este encaje. And by the way, my favorite brush to use is this one, the ABH 7B brush. Is one of my absolute favorite ever. It's actually a little bit too light, so. Ooh, and this is actually dry. So obviously you guys know Shopmissa is super affordable. This is only $1, I believe. So, but nonetheless, it's actually a very nice product, especially if you're starting out with makeup. Like, you just want to test things out, or you don't want to waste too much money on makeup. Some pomade do dry up eventually, you guys. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you always keep your pomade very tightly sealed. Yo siempre digo que los productos de pomada siempre se secan, especialmente si tú no lo cierras bien. También me han dicho que es bueno ponerlo a boca abajo. No sé por qué, pero eso ayuda como que no se le entre aire. And the color that I have is the shade Taupe. El color que tengo es el color Taupe. I don't think this goes with my skin tone, you guys, but this is the only one I have, so there it is. So I'm gonna be using their Cover Art concealers. Looks like this. I have two. I have the shades Warm Honey and also Classic Ivory. And I'm gonna use the shade Classic Ivory just to clean up the brow. Ooh, I had this for quite some time, you guys, so I remember the first time I tried them, they were a little dry as well. I feel like the formula just feels a little rough for some reason, but nonetheless it's still really good. It's still working fine. Este producto sí lo tengo por par de meses ya. A lo primero se sentía como bien reseco para la piel mía, pero creo que tiene la misma textura, todo trabajando igualmente. Como que no puede dejar que se te seque, tiene que difuminar este producto rápidamente para que no se te seque en la piel, porque si no se va a hacer mucho más difícil. Definitely don't want to let it sit for too long because it will dry up. It's more on the drier side type of concealer. It will be so much harder to blend, so just letting you guys know that. Okay, hey you guys, my brow looks really good. I really like the pomades. It's really nice, just that it just get dry. They're very affordable prices, so I'm not expecting too much from these products, to be honest. $1 brows are fucking snatch. I really like it. Demasiado buena para hacer un peso. Okay, now I'm also going to be using this as a primer for my eyeshadow. We are going to be using some of my favorite palettes from Shopmissa. These are actually $10, I believe. They're not $1, but look how many eyeshadows you get. So, mis amores, voy a usar este corrector para los ojos como un prebase, y también vamos a usar estas paletas que están aquí. Son de Shopmissa. No son $1, pero sí son $10. Pero miren cuántas sombras se le llegan. So, you see, you guys, as long as you blend it in quickly, it blends really nice. So I like that. And the coverage as well, it's really nice. Y también se difuma rápidamente, solamente que no puede dejar que se te seque el producto porque si no se va a hacer súper difícil. I honestly, you guys, don't like the smell of it. It smells like chemicals, you know, like it doesn't smell pleasant. El olor tampoco no me gusta, no sé, como que tiene un olor medio rarito, como si fuera un producto como viejo. Okay, now we're gonna start with the eyes. We're gonna use, I'm gonna go for something simple, gold, basic. Let's try this, you guys. This is their Bear palette. Mis amores, vamos a tratar esta paleta. La que se llama Bear. So I'm gonna start with this shade right here. I'm gonna start applying that right on outer corners. These eyeshadows do not have like names or anything like that, but look how pigmented they are, you guys. They are really actually very nice. Esta paleta no tiene nombre. Esta es la primera sombra que voy a estar usando. Ya como ven, tiene mucho pigmento, o sea, se nota. And then I'm gonna blend the rest inside here. Look how pretty, you guys. Oh my god, it's so cute. So I'm just gonna continue applying that just to build the color a little bit. Comenzaré a aplicar un poquito más para que el tono se vea un poquito más. I'm gonna continue doing this process till I get the desired shade. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and switch brushes to start blending in that edges. Ahora estoy cambiando las brochas para comenzar a difuminar como la parte exterior de la sombra. Como ya ven, esa parte que se ve así como bien dura, eso es lo que voy a comenzar a difuminar. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and take that shade right next to the one that we just used. Estaré comenzando a usar esa sombra al lado de la primera que usamos y comenzaré a difuminar un poquito más. Vamos a hacer como un look así ahumado. I'm gonna do this like smoky kind of look, but not so intense, so do not worry. And of course, just taking one of the darker shade on the palette, just gonna add a little bit more darkness onto the outer corners of the eyes. Le estoy agregando un poquito más de oscuridad al exterior del ojo, solamente para que le dé un poquito más de dimensión y se vea un poquito más dramático. Ustedes saben que me gustan los looks que son dramáticos. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit more concealer and actually open up front of the eyes. Just cut a little bit of the front of the eyes just because I want to add a little bit more colors. Ahora estoy cogiendo un poquito de corrector para abrir la parte interior del ojo. Voy a hacer un corte de párpado, and I'm only doing a half cut crease, you guys. And at the end, you just want to tap that line to make sure it just diffuse with the shadow, because you definitely don't want to leave a harsh line there. Make sure you blend that. And one of my favorite things is to go over once I cut the crease, just to kind of intensify the color and then just blend it out right on the edge right there, because usually when you cut the crease you kind of like can't see the actual color that you apply, so I like to just go over that. Y esto es uno de mis trucos favoritos que me gusta hacer, es ir de nuevo encimita de donde hice el corte y aplicar la sombra más oscura que usé últimamente y la aplico aquí arribita, y eso hace como que le dé todavía más drama al look. And all I'm doing, you guys, is just taking a little small brush just to diffuse all this color right here, just to blend everything out, because you also don't want to have those harsh lines. Now you kind of see the difference, harsh, blend. Ahora pueden ver la diferencia, como se ve que el otro lado se ve más difumido que este. Now I'm gonna go start with these two colors right here. So the first thing I like to do is just mattify the whole look. Primeramente voy a coger la sombrita que es más clara para matificar todo esto aquí. And then I'm gonna take that glitter shade and apply it right in the center right here. Y ahora estaré cogiendo esta sombrita que es de brillo y la estaré colocando aquí como en la parte exterior, pegándola con la sombra de atrás. Y miren qué bonito, simple, no es tan dramático y es súper barato, económico. I'm actually gonna apply a little bit of concealer underneath the eye. Yeah, this concealer, it's so freaking drying. By the way, these brushes are also from Shopmissa. Let me know if you guys want to see a brush review on Shopmissa brushes. So first, I'm gonna start with the darkest shade. I'm gonna apply that very close to the lash line. Comenzaré con la sombra más oscura y la comenzaré a aplicar bien cerquita de las pestañas de abajo. And then I'm gonna blend that out with the first shade we started. And I'm sort of blending this really low because I want it to be a little bit more smoked out. Estoy difuminando esto como bien bajito porque quiero que se vea como más ahumado. Guys, I'm so sorry, but I actually do not have any lashes from Shopmissa. Me van a perdonar, pero no tengo pestañas de Shopmissa, así que vamos a ponernos unas dramáticas glamorosas. Now let's put some glamorous lashes on. And now we are ready for the face. I love the lashes, you guys. They're so pretty. Not from Shopmissa, but I'll do a Shopmissa haul with all their new stuff. Okay, so I don't have any skincare from Shopmissa, so what I'm gonna use today is the new Palettess Priming Moisturizer and also the Hydrating Mist from Dominican. I really like this combo. Prime, Hydrate, hello. Estaré comenzando con este hidratante de cara de la marca Palettess porque no tengo nada de Shopmissa que sea para el cuidado de piel. And you guys, the best part is that we're using the new microfiber sponge by Juno & Co. Estaremos usando las nuevas esponjitas de Juno & Co. La voy a ir a lavar para ver cómo se siente. Y esta es la diferencia cuando la mojas y cuando está seca. This is the difference, you guys, when you wet it and versus when it's dry. It definitely grows a lot. And for foundation, you guys, I'm going to use this. This is actually really old. I think I should be like throwing this out already. I had this for a few years now and this one blew up. I don't know why. Maybe it was too hot in my room or something, but esta se me explotó, no sé por qué. That's another reason why I barely film, you guys, because it's always so damn hot in my room. Es bien húmedo en mi cuarto, es bien caliente. But let's go ahead and apply this. I actually have to go freaking cook. And I'm gonna be using the sponge just to blend everything out. I know Alisa Ashley here on YouTube love the sponge. La muchacha, la morenita que se llama Alisa Ashley, le encanta esta esponja y la usa religiosamente, o sea, le encanta muchísimo. And to be honest, you guys, like, it looks so good. Like, it blends everything so nicely. This foundation, it's not even a foundation, it's more like a BB cream type of thing, but it has a very nice coverage, at least for my skin type, and it looks really good. Esto no es una base, es más como lo que le dicen BB cream, como si fuera una cremita que es bien ligera, no tiene mucha cobertura, pero a mí me encanta cómo se difuma en la cara. Y también voy a usar los correctores de Shopmissa. Como ya le hubiera dicho, estoy usando el color Ivory y Warm Honey. Voy a aplicar un poquito solamente porque este es demasiado claro for my skin tone, para mi color de piel. This one is a little bit way too light for my skin tone. I mean, I'm also using their concealers, by the way. So I'm gonna mix it with Ivory and Warm Honey. Also, the packaging, you guys, feels very, very cheap. But I mean, again, for $1, you can expect too much. Like, look how is that blending. Literally looks like freaking skin. Miren cómo se está difuminando todo. Se ve como si fuera piel. Like, whoa. This is definitely one of my favorite BB creams from their website, you guys. It is absolutely amazing, at least on my skin. Like, my skin loves it, how good it is. But you definitely, I feel like the products from Shopmissa, you have to kind of like switch it up from time to time, not stay over a year with them. Definitely switch them every 6 months or so. You guys know, like, products do expire, so make sure you guys are constantly switching up your like foundations, at least things that go in your face. Next, I'm gonna be using their Perfect Setting Powder. I love this powder. I had this for a few years. This is their translucent powder, and I'm gonna be using it with a dry sponge. I'm gonna kind of bake a little bit like so. I actually really like the powder, you guys. It's very, very nice. I feel like it's very finely milled. It's a very fine powder and it just sets beautifully. De verdad que me gusta mucho el polvo porque es un polvito como bien fino y se disfuma bien bonito en la piel, como que no te hace ver como empegotada ni nada de eso. Ayuda a la piel como que se ve así como smooth. You guys, I just love this powder because it just makes the skin look so like smooth. It's a natural beautiful powder. Still love the powder, you guys. It's really nice. Highly recommended it. It's so good. The cheapest best powder ever is that one right there. Okay, you guys, so one thing I do want to have is a bronzer from the brand. So I'm gonna be using these drugstore products right here, the Rimmel Stay Matte and also the Makeup Obsession. It's in Peach Palette. No tengo productos de broncear de la marca, so voy a usar este que es de Rimmel y también es un polvo que es de farmacia. Es bien barato, creo que este como $3 así. Like, I just really love that powder, you guys. It's so nice. And this brush is life. And now for my favorite ever highlighters are from Shopmissa as well. I like to use their powder highlighter. I feel like they're literally so freaking amazing. If you don't like powder highlighter, they do have this Velour Highlighters, which is like a more of a wet texture. Bomb.com. Tienen estos iluminadores en polvo y este es como una fórmula que es como mojadito y son buenísimos. They also have powder, pressed powders like this. Amazing. I mean, all of their highlighters, you guys, are so bomb. But my favorite one is this one right here, which is the Sun Ray. And I also love this highlighter brush, which is the AOA Studio F19, and it's so bomb. También me encanta esta brocha que es de Shopmissa y es la que se llama F19, o sea, buenísima. And bam, look at the highlights. Okay, you guys, so for the lips, I went in with this also Shopmissa from the Studio line liquid lipstick in the shade Naked. I do like their liquid lipsticks. They're just a little bit more on the drier side, but they're really nice and they don't smell bad at all. Me encantan los labiales de ellos. Estoy usando el color Naked y en realidad sí me encantan. Son buenos y solamente son $1. También apliqué un poquito de la marca de Rimmel. I also applied a little bit of gloss from the brand Rimmel just because I wanted to be more glossy. And that's literally it for the look, you guys. Let me know how you like it. Comment down below. Please spam this video. Let me know how you enjoy this. Be sure to be part of the notification squad. I'm gonna start shouting you guys out just to kind of interact more with you guys. You know what I mean? If you want to see more from Shopmissa, let me know. Let me know which one to see. So I'll see you on my next one. Bye.